Hey guys, hi, welcome back. In the previous two sessions, we have covered the arithmetic progressions topics, right? So we have seen what is an arithmetic progression, what is first term, what is common difference, what is nth term of an AP, and we solve different problems like how do we find sum of the term, like not the sum of the term, how do you find the last term, how do you find the nth term. So like that we solved many problems in the last video, right? So today we are going to start with the new topic, that is sum of first n terms of an AP. So what does this mean by sum of first n terms of an AP? Let's suppose let's solve it with one example. So in the previous video I took one question, that is how many two digit numbers are divisible by 3, right? So now let me write the same AP. So we got the AP 12, 15, 18 till 99. So these are the numbers divisible by 3 and forms AP, right? Because 12, 15 common difference is same, 15, 18 common difference is same. So and they form AP. So these are the two digit numbers divisible by 99, and we found how many numbers are there, like we got some 25 or 35, right, in the last video. So now my intention is here the sum of the, like I have to find, let's suppose 35 numbers are there, the numbers which are divisible by 3, two digit numbers. Now I have to find sum of all these numbers. Like if I have finite AP, let's suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so in this case just I can add their numbers, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Like I can find the sum of this AP as it is finite. So this is also finite AP, but we have many numbers. We can't add all these numbers, right? So it's meaningless. So we should have one formula, because arithmetic progression is nothing but it has some definite rule or definite formula. So we should derive one formula for this, right? So that is given by sum of the first n terms of an AP. Okay, so if let's suppose 30 terms are there, so that is the sum of first 30 terms of the AP. If 20 terms are there, so sum of 20 terms of the AP. So like that, with by using one formula we can find the sum of n terms of the AP. So what is that formula? So first, sum of n terms of an AP is denoted by the symbol Sn. Sn is the sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay. So now this formula is given as Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so clear? This is the sum of first n terms of an AP. The formula is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this formula I can also write it as Sn is equals to n by 2 of, shall I write this 2a as a plus a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So now if you closely observe, have you seen this term somewhere? This one? Yes, where we have solved it in the previous two videos, right? What is this? It's the nth term of an AP. So Sn is equals to n by 2 of, I can write a plus, this I can denote it as an, because this total thing is an. Yes or no? So I can write an, n by Sn is equals to n by 2 of a plus an, or instead of an, what's an also can be represented as L, that is last term. So Sn is equals to n by 2 of a plus L. Clear? So these are the two formulas we should remember to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Like let us find for this question only. Let us try how do we solve this question. Just everything is same. You just have to identify the given terms. Take the AP. What's the AP given? 12, 15, 18 till 99. Now find the sum of first n terms of this AP. Okay, so let us find what's the first term. A is equals to 12, right? So d is equals to 15 minus 12, that is 3. right? And an is equals to 99. I know a, I know d, I know an. I know a, I know d, I know an. Like I can directly substitute the values, right? So just let me use the first formula, okay? So n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So how do you find n? You know an is equals to 99, right? So let us substitute that formula. A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 99. We did it in the last video, right? So a is 12 plus n we have to find into d is 3, that is equals to 99. So from here I can write 3n minus 3 is equals to 99 minus 12, that is 87. So from here 3n is equals to 90, n is equals to 90 by 3, that is equals to 30. So our n value is 30. So now you know what is n also. Write down n is equals to 30. So now can I substitute in this formula? So what I have to find now? Sum of first 30 terms of the AP. Sn is nothing but sum of first n terms. N terms is nothing but 30 terms of this AP. So n by 2, 30 by 2 of 2a. What is 2 into a? A is nothing but 12. 2 into 12 plus n minus 1 into d. What is n minus 1 here? N is 30. 30 minus 1 into d. What is d? D value is 3. Right? So then S30 is equals to 15 into 24 plus 29 into 3. So what is 29 into 3? 87. Right? So S30 is equals to 15 into, so 87 plus 24, that is 100 plus 11, that is 111. 111 into the 15, 111 into 15, what's this value? 555 into 111, so 5661. So this value will be equals to S30 is equals to 1665, that is nothing but the sum of the first n terms of an AP. N terms is nothing but 30 terms of the AP. That AP is given as the digits, 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Their sum is 1665. Right? Understood? So just we derived the formula. So that is Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Otherwise you can use this formula also here. You know what is an now. An you know, a you know. Right? So you just have to find n from there. So if you know n, you can just write this formula also. N by 2, 30 by 2 of a is 12 plus an is 99. You can use any of the formulas to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Right?
I thank Edways who are trying to give broad information for the students who wanted to do medicine program in abroad. And for more information, please subscribe Edways.
I would like to congratulate Mr. Karunakar to start such an initiative which will be available for all the students on YouTube.
Thanks to Edways and please subscribe the channel.
ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా మందికి రీచ్ అవ్వాలి, ఈ అడ్వైస్ ఛానల్లో వచ్చే కార్యక్రమాలు చాలా మంది విద్యార్థులకు రీచ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అడ్వైస్.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను డాక్టర్ రామ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ EDWays ఛానల్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు EDWays.
Thanks to Edways channel. Please subscribe Edways channel.
Hello guys, like for successful journey of your studies platform destination, so please follow and subscribe to edways.in.
Thanks to Edways. Please subscribe Edways.
All the best for the Edways and please subscribe the channel.
And please subscribe to Edways YouTube channel.
Thanks to Edways for giving me an opportunity to subscribe for Edways.
Please subscribe to Edways YouTube channel.